Hi there, in this YouTube description tutorial I'm going to give you 15 tips which you can use to create your own video descriptions. By the end you'll know exactly how to write a YouTube description which is fully optimized to give you the maximum results for your videos. You can also download a free YouTube description template and then you can copy and paste it straight into the description box for all of your videos. So let's get going. On this channel we're here to help you blitz it on YouTube. We give you tips, recommendations, how-tos, interviews with successful YouTubers, tools which are either free or fantastic value, anything that's going to help you blow up your channel and make you hugely successful. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and enjoy this video. So the first tip, and the most important tip, is to write a paragraph or two explaining exactly what your video is about. Now this has two purposes. Firstly, for viewers, it gives them a description of what they're going to see when they watch your video. And secondly, for YouTube. Now YouTube uses your description as one of the key factors for understanding what your video is about, knowing who to show your video to, and then what terms to rank your video for. So the second tip is to put your main keyword phrase that you're aiming to rank for right at the beginning or near the beginning of your description. YouTube values this very highly and it will help with your optimization and also the ranking of your videos. And you can put other keywords into that description as well, but it has to make sense. If you just put a list of all of your different keywords, you'll actually get penalized for that. So make sure that you're only putting keywords in that make sense and make a really good description. Tip 3 is make sure that your description reads normally. It needs to sound exactly the way you would say it. So the best way to do that is to say it out loud and make sure that your description makes sense. And if it doesn't, you need to edit it until it does. Tip 4 is to put a link for people to be able to subscribe to your YouTube channel. If you put just your normal YouTube channel URL, people would need to go and find the subscribe button. But if you add the piece of code which is showing on your screen right now, which is !sub_confirmation=1, if you add that to the end of your YouTube channel URL, then when they click on it they will be subscribed and they'll just get a message coming asking them to confirm that they want to subscribe. Tip 5 is to add links to playlists which have related content. Now, playlists are awesome because they give people the opportunity to watch other videos of yours that are related to the one that they've just watched. So it keeps them engaged on YouTube, which is exactly what YouTube also wants. If you don't have any playlists, I suggest that you go and create 1 or 2 playlists that are of similar content, and that way you can link to those and it will get people watching more videos from your channel. Tip 6 is to add links to other related videos. Now these could be your videos or they could be other videos which you think would be of value to your audience. Now YouTube values watch time, whether it's on your channel or other channels, it's all based on a session. So if you're sending people to another YouTube video, YouTube still values that very high whether or not it's on your channel or not. Tip 7 is to add affiliate links that are relevant. You may be doing a review of a piece of software or a product, or you might be showing people how to use something and they've been looking to purchase that product or service. If you provide a link which is an affiliate link in your description, then you will receive an income if they decide to purchase that product. Affiliate links are a great opportunity for you to add income to your channel while helping out your subscribers by providing them links to get the software or products which they want to get anyway. And in some cases you can also get them a discount through your affiliate link. Affiliate links are an absolutely awesome option, a great way to add to your income. Highly recommended to put affiliate links in, but only do it when it's relevant for your customers. Tip 8 is add a share this video with a friend link. When people are watching a video and they're getting value from it, they may want to share it with their friends on social media, so it's good to put a link directly to the video that they're watching so that they can share it on social media or via email with whoever they want to share it with. Great way to grow your channel. Tip 9 is to add a video timeline for longer videos. This is great for your subscribers if they're watching a long video and they don't have time at that particular point to watch the entire video, or if they want to go back to a certain point in your video and then continue to watch it. So with a timeline, you just put the different times and then what that time relates to in the video, and then users are able to click on that and it takes them directly to that position in the video so that they can continue watching it. It's a great way to increase your watch time. It's a great way to help out your users and make sure that they are able to watch the content that they want to watch when they want to watch it. If you're doing a video anything longer than about 10 minutes, highly recommended to put a video timeline in your description and or in your comments section. Tip 10 is to add a giveaway or a subscribe to my email list link. It's a great way to give extra value to your viewers. You can give them something which is going to be of value to them, and you can also get them onto your email list so that you can give them notifications as to what new videos you're putting out, what products or services that you have, or some great information which is going to be useful to them. It's also very useful to have an email list because that's something which you own, so it doesn't matter what happens with YouTube or with Facebook or with any of the other platforms, you've got a way which you can contact your subscribers for your email list. So it's always good to build an email list, and you can keep them up to date with all the latest information. Tip 11 is to put a link to all of your other social media channels: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. That way, when you put out a new video, you can put a note on Facebook, you can send out a tweet, you can put out a comment on email. You have multiple ways which you can communicate with your subscribers to let them know that there's a new video out that you may be interested in watching, and you can also do other offers via the other social media channels. So it's awesome to get them on multiple social media channels. Different people have different preferences, so they're going to prefer to use different social media channels, so it's good to put them all up there. Tip 12 is add a link to your website. There's lots of reasons why people may want to go and have a look at your website, to learn more about you, to read your blog if you've got a blog, to have a look at your products and services which you have available. Tip 13 is to add your affiliate disclaimer. Now this is a legal requirement if you have any affiliate links at all in your description. If you don't have any affiliate links, it's not a requirement. If you're not sure what to put into the affiliate disclaimer, you're free to copy the affiliate disclaimer from the description of this video, or you can get it from the free YouTube description template, which there's a link to in the description down below. Tip 14 is to add hashtags to your description. You can add them right at the bottom, but you can only add a maximum of 3 hashtags. Any more than that and YouTube will ignore them. But if you can add up to 3 hashtags, they then show up right underneath the video above your title, and they're also searchable, so it's well worth putting your hashtags in there. So 3 hashtags to go in the bottom as a maximum. Tip 15 is that you can rearrange tips 4 to 14 into any order that you like. You can add or remove whichever ones you want. You just need to make sure that the description is right up the top, and then depending on the purpose of your video, you can choose. You may want your affiliate links at the top, you may want your subscribe button at the top, you may want your giveaway or your opt-in at the top, you may want to have your timeline at the top. You can put it in any different order that you like. You can not put things in there if you don't want to. It's just up to you. I hope this has helped. Have an absolutely awesome day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for lots more tips on how you can be successful with your YouTube channel, and have a fantastic one.